Hi, I'm Donncha and welcome back to Cooking with Donncha. Now in the last episode I did omelets, but in this episode I'm doing a downgrade and I'm going to be making instant super noodles. So yeah, this is just instant, don't break them. So I already got my prep, water. So what you gotta do is really easy, this is going to be a really fast video first turning on your gas. Then get your water. 300 milliliters, isn't it? Half a pint, 300 milliliters. Nice one. Of water and bring to boil. It says add noodles to 300 milliliters. So that was a very unnecessary sized bowl actually. Hang on. Why I got the biggest bowl, I don't know. But yeah, don't get the biggest bowl in your house. Like, something tells me 300 milliliters is not enough. So, I'm actually putting a little bit more. It says 300 milliliters, but I'm gonna disobey them and put extra. Okay. Throw that. Now, you pop open your noodles. Let's pull them out. It smells so nice. Alright, throw that in there. Okay, so we leave that to boil, and when that boils, you mix it in with the tender roast chicken flavor. That's the one I chose today. And then what I'm also gonna do actually, now that's not actually on the instructions because this is something I'm doing myself. But you know, cooking with Donncha, you have to, you have to spice things up a little because this is just the easiest recipe I've ever done, and that includes eggs. So dark soya sauce is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna put a splash of that in along with the flavor, just because it makes it look nicer. So next, I'm gonna just push it in. Again, I feel like that's not enough water, but we gotta leave it boil. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back in a couple minutes. So I'm waiting for that to boil. I'll just talk a little about the future of cooking with Donncha. Now, this time wasn't really cooking. It's just throw a pack of instant noodles. Is there any more in there? No, there isn't. Throwing a pack of instant noodles into water doesn't really count as cooking with Donncha. But I said, I'm making noodles, so we might as well record it. Next time, though, I want to make it a bit more interesting. Something that I have no experience in whatsoever, having a clue what I'm doing, and just pull up a recipe off the internet and follow that. I mean, cake. I'm gonna bake a cake next time. Yeah, that's what I want to do next time. And then I also my father's a chef, and might bring in some of his recipes. He doesn't do cakes, but I might bring in some of his recipes for stuff. Like he does a really nice what is it? It's a Chinese dish. What is it? Okay, what is it? Stir fry. That's the one. He does a really nice stir fry. Okay, that's beginning to boil. Actually, I just suddenly realized why it's not working very well. That's the wrong one. Oh, it's bigger. Oh, Jesus. Something sizzling over there. Oh, it's gotta be new. Because... is that bigger or smaller? Christ is way bigger. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. That's hot. How are you getting on? They're getting on, guys. Smells so nice. Looking like if you don't like the smell of noodles, then you're fucking weird. Right. Hey, it's nearly done. That's nearly done because it actually didn't bounce back up when I poked it. Right. We're nearly finished our noodles. That's another episode of Cooking with Donncha done, because people have been asking me, when are you making another episode of Cooking with Donncha? It's here now. I'd say I'd try and make weekly videos of Cooking with Donncha, but we all know that's never going to happen. Alright, that's ready. Alright, we'll get our flavour, and here we go. Oh, I see scissors in there. It is. Alright, we just pour that in. Pour it all in. Alright, we gotta mix that as well, but first I put my dark soya in here. And alright, nearly only a teeny bit. That's a bit too much to be honest. Now mix it around. There we go. It's another episode of Cooking with Donncha finished. Yeah. I'm gonna just do my regular tasting at the end of the Cooking with Donncha episode. That's done. Now, let's just pour up the bowl plates. And we'll get this ready. That was hot. Alright. Warning, don't do that. Where's the toad? There's a mirror. Why is it sitting way at the back pot? Alright, actually, I don't think that's good. How do you serve noodles? They don't tell you how to serve noodles on this, do they? Serve immediately and enjoy. Alright, I don't know how to serve these without like getting mixture everywhere. So, now this isn't a very great idea. I don't advise you doing this. I don't even advise you following any of my recipes, but my trusty spatula. I'm gonna use a trusty spatula. Jesus, that's a weird sound. Oh, well, all the liquid came out anyway. Maybe that's why it tells me to only use a very small amount of... Because I use like 300 milliliters extra. What the fuck? What are you sizzling like? It's not like the pan isn't hot, like. The pan, trust me, these fingers have just had experience. It's fucking roasting, like. Not roasting enough to burn, but roasting enough to hurt. Alright, I think I got most of it. What are you doing? By the way, any of you who take my cooking seriously, I'm not sure if there's anyone out there who does take my cooking show seriously. This isn't to teach you what to do. It's basically, it teaches you what not to do. Honestly, should have just gotten a spoon, like. Fucking wooden spoon. Alright, so I use. You sit down. You sit down. And we taste it. Now, from what I learned from in the last episode, don't eat too much. Don't eat too much because it fucking burns. Alright. It's as nice as any other noodles because it's out of a packet. It says serve immediately, but I spent around 5 minutes figuring out how to serve it. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button in the face, and I will see you all in the next video!